Okay, we have learned how to number a number line, the right side being positive, the left side being negative. This is a horizontal number line. What if a horizontal number line and a vertical number line cross each other? At the main point that they have in common, 0. Both of their starting point. I'm going to number down, negative, 2, 3, 4, 5. When two number lines cross each other, a horizontal number line and a vertical number line, it's called a coordinate plane. The horizontal number line, this number line right here, is called the x-axis. And I'm just going to put an X over here. The vertical number line is called the y-axis. An axis is a number line. So we have an x-axis and a y-axis crossing each other. These two number lines cross each other and they create 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. These 4 sections are called quadrants. And you would number the quadrants counterclockwise in the shape of a C, the letter C. So this would be quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So these are the 4 quadrants of the coordinate plane. We have our x-axis, our y-axis. Now let's say that I am a pilot and I am dropping food supplies to hungry people below. And so I am supposed to drop the food supplies at the coordinate -4, 3. Well, the -4 would represent the numbers on my x-axis, because the first number always represents the numbers on your x-axis. So number -4 would be on this axis, and then y, the next letter of the alphabet, would be the 3. So I'd go -4, 3, and I'd find where those 2 points meet, and where the 2 numbers meet, and I'd put a point there. And this is where I would drop off the food supplies if I were a pilot looking for this location. Now, I remember the y-axis as my yo-yo axis. If you take out a yo-yo and you begin to play with it, you're gonna the yo-yo's movement is going to be up and down. Okay, so the yo-yo axis, the y-axis, I remember that because this is my up and down line. This is my vertical line. Okay, here's some of the definitions of what we talked about earlier. A coordinate plane is created when a horizontal and a vertical number line cross at 0. The origin is the point where the 2 lines meet. So let's look at the point where the 2 lines meet. I'm pulling this one back, and I would label this. This is the point where they meet. They meet at point 0, 0. That's called the origin. That point right there is called the origin. And quadrants are the 4 sections of the coordinate plane, which we discussed as we went through and we numbered them. 1, 2, 3, 4. X-axis is the horizontal number line. The y-axis is the vertical number line. And an ordered pair are the coordinates of a point. -4, 3 are the coordinates of the point where we dropped off our food supplies. -4 is on our x-axis, and 3 is on our y-axis. So let's go back and look at our coordinate plane. And the ordered pair that would match this point would be -4 on our x-axis, always put the x coordinate first, and 3 on our y-axis. And this is called an ordered pair.